Now, because of the Naxal problem, the people in the Bastar region of Chhattisgarh are still disconnected from mainstream. Many parts of Bastar still don't have any road connectivity and not even any schools. Now, the Naxal problem is becoming a threat to the culture of tribals who are natives of these forests in Chhattisgarh. In this special report from Bijapur district, NDTV Siddharth Ranjan Das tells you how.
Dugai-Guda, Adarsh Ashram in Bijapur for 500 children from Naxal affected villages. This is hope for a better future. Here the students are given free education, food, clothes and even ₹50 as pocket money under the Rajiv Gandhi Shiksha Mission. The central government is running 68 such ashrams in 4 districts of Chhattisgarh. The idea is to bring children away from the Naxal affected areas and give them a chance at schooling.
गांव छोड़ के यहाँ क्यों आना पड़ा पढ़ने के लिए?
सर वहाँ टीचर लोग नहीं आते हैं सर, पढ़ाई नहीं होता है सर।
पढ़ाई अच्छा नहीं होता
जी।
और क्या समस्या है वहाँ पे?
दादा लोग बात पीट रहते हैं सर। मैं आगे पढ़ाई करना चाहता हूँ सर।
तो कहाँ गांव जाओगे?
नहीं सर।
क्यों?
आओ पली बढ़ूंगा सर।
गांव नहीं जाना चाहते?
जी।
Villages like this one, Kamarguda, live in fear. In the nearby area, Naxals have blown up school buildings to discourage children from studying. Naxals often visit the village demanding food, rice, money and warning villagers against taking benefits from the government. Parents say if they have to send their children away from home to study, then that's the price they are willing to pay. Even if it means away from home and community, the children are in danger of forgetting their tribal way of life.
लड़का बीजापुर में रहते हैं, फोटो शॉक स्टोर। धर्मगढ़ में एक छोटा वाला पढ़ रहा है, एक बच्चा बीजापुर में पढ़ रहा है।
माहौल भी अच्छा है वहाँ पे, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा दादा लोग के चलते
माहौल भी उसी समय में उधर भेज दिया बच्चे लोग।
ये लोग वापस आके करेंगे, गांव लौटेंगे ये लोग कि नहीं करेंगे?
नहीं लौटेंगे सर।
While the government is proud of this initiative to give tribal children a chance at education, they have no clear answers on how to preserve a connect of the tribal children with their roots.
कल्चरल वैल्यूज कहीं से उनके डिस्टर्ब नहीं हो रहे हैं, क्योंकि वो जिस परिवेश में रह रहे हैं वो पूरा परिवेश उन्हीं का है, लेकिन उनके विवेक पे हमने छोड़ा हुआ है। कुछ बच्चे बाहर भी सेटल हो रहे हैं।
Life is not easy for the people here in Bastar. During the Salwa Juddu movement, villagers had to migrate to save their lives. Even though most of them have now returned back to the villages, because of the Naxal problem, they have no option but to send their children away from themselves and their tribal culture for a better and a safe future. In Bijapur district with camera person Rizwan Khan and Yukesh Chandrakar, Siddharth Ranjan Das for NDTV.